loves, how are you? Welcome to my DIY channel. I'm so excited to share with you my latest find from the Dollar Tree. Look at this big sign. Can you believe it? Just $1? I'm so excited to show you how to put this in a wreath swag. That's gonna be a beautiful neutral piece of the decor that you can enjoy year round. And if you like the video, please don't forget to hit thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel for many more DIYs on a budget coming up, okay? So let's get started.
So you're gonna need a long sign, and Dollar Tree sells long signs for every single season, so pick the one that you like. For the base, we're going to use Dollar Tree Wreath. They have 18 inches and 16 inches. Also, you're gonna need one roll of 10-inch wide deco mesh, or you can use 2 half rolls, like I am gonna use today. Also, you're gonna need color coordinating ribbons. I'll be using one of my favorites today, the chicken wire ribbon, which you can get on sale at Hobby Lobby for only $2. And of course, Greenery. Often you can get a better deal at Walmart than Dollar Tree. Instead of flowers, I'll be using cotton pads this time. You can get cotton pads at a Dollar Tree, or sometimes Hobby Lobby might have a better deal. Like here, you get 12 for $1.49. At Dollar Tree, you get only 4 for $1. Lastly, you're gonna need some pipe cleaners or floral wire. We start off by stretching the Dollar Tree wreath into an oval shape and flatten it up. As you know, it's very cheaply made, but I got it on sale for only 50 cents, so you can't go wrong with that. The only thing is that the sign is so long, I had to combine 2 wreaths together. Still a great deal. Next, I'm cutting my deco mesh in 20-inch long pieces. I'm using a 10 by 10 cardboard, which makes it easier for me. I had only half a roll left here, so that was 9 pieces. And then I cut additional 7 pieces of the burlap deco mesh. Total 16 pieces. What we're gonna do is curl one end about 3 times, clip it, turn it around, another curl, walk your fingers across, and pinch it in the middle, and just like that, you have a craffle. We are going to attach it to our wreath using the 3 pine tips, just like that. We are going to repeat the same steps, just alternating the colors of the deco mesh. Curl one end, clip it, turn it around, curl on the other side, walk your fingers across, pinch, and then you got a craffle that you're gonna attach on the side. Just twist tight those pine tips. And now the plaid again. So this is 7 and 7 of each color, total of 14. I'm left with 2 plaid pieces. I'm just gonna squeeze them in there on both ends, at the top and at the bottom. This was end of my roll, so might as well use it. All right, and we are done. Look at the size of this thing, it's so big. Next, we are going to attach the ties to our sign in 4 corners. And attach the sign to the wreath. And just tie it down all the way down to the wire form. Next, we're going to fluff up our crackles. Everything is to the front. Next, we are going to cut 4 sets of ribbon, 24 inches long pieces. We're going to add it in all 4 corners of our swag. Simply put the thinner ribbon on top of the wider one. Leave out about a 6-inch tail, pinch it, and tie it in the top corner just by twist tying the pine tips. And then you're gonna leave like a nice loose loop, about 12 inches long, I would say. And you're gonna pinch it and tie it over there on the side, leaving about a 6-inch tail as well. And then we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Just leave a 6-inch tail, tie it over there. Okay, and now a nice loose loop. Just trying to make sure that the ribbon is nice and smooth over there. And pinch it and leave about a 6-inch tail. Tie it down with the pine tips. So this is how it looks at the top, and we're gonna do exact same thing at the bottom. All right, so we got the top and bottom done. Now we're gonna do something in the middle. I have only one type of ribbon left, and I cut 2 pieces 24 inches long, and I'm basically doing the same thing. And then I cut 2 more pieces of ribbon, folded in half, made like a little loop, and attached that at both ends of my swag. Now it makes it seem like I have bows there. Look at that. It looks like a bow, right? Of course, if you want, you can make a bestie bow and add more loops over there. But this is enough for me. One thing that I have to do now is hide away all those pine tips as much as I can. And then the rest of it I'm gonna cover with the greenery. This swag turned out bigger than I thought, so I'm using 2 bushels of the Walmart eucalyptus. First, I cut 2 larger pieces for the top and bottom of my swag, and then the rest I chopped in smaller pieces. So I inserted the larger pieces at the top and bottom and used hot glue to attach them there. I also picked 2 nice pieces for both sides in the center. And then all the smaller pieces all around, wherever I saw that the little pines were peeking out, I made sure I covered them with the leaves and hot glued them in. And now the chicken wire ribbon, so exciting. First I'm measuring a loop about, I would say 5-6 inches, and 2 tails about 6 inches long. Cutting, of course, with the wire cutters. I'm gonna pinch it over there in the middle on both sides of the bow. I'm actually gonna pinch this loop and tie it with a piece of floral wire, just like so. And then we are going to tie it in over there in the center of our bow. And just like that, we have this nice farmhouse touch. I really like it. And we're gonna do the same thing at the top. At the top, I just want to make the tail a little bit longer. So let's say 6 inches, pinch it there, and then leave another 6-inch tail, and then make a loop. Something like this. Again, we're gonna use a floral wire to tie that loop. And make a nice long pinch tail on the other side. Okay, and then we are going to insert that chicken wire into our bow over there. And just tie it down with the wire that you already have there at the bottom of the chicken wire bow. Okay, and now just fluff it up as much as you can fluff up the wire. And for the cherry on the top, we are going to add our little cotton pods. Just play around with the placement, and once you like the way it looks, you're gonna hot glue everything in. And just like that, we created a beautiful piece of decor that I'm gonna enjoy a year round. Look how big it looks. Can you tell it was made out of 2 cheap Dollar Tree wreaths and $1 sign. I have one more quick DIY for you. I just got this home sign with the heart. I thought it was so cute. And I also have this other long sign, also from Dollar Tree. We're just gonna need a little bit of paint, a piece of craft paper, and some strong glue like E6000. First, we're gonna paint our home sign. Of course, any color that you like. I decided to go for white, neutral. And I just want to cut out the little blue heart there. Glue it in the back, just like that, with some hot glue. And then glue one sign on top of the other with some E6000 and also hot glue for a quicker result. And just like that, we create a beautiful piece of home decor for your shelf or tabletop. Home together is my favorite place to be. I love it. Goes perfectly with my gallery wall too.
All right, my besties, so this is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because there's many more DIYs on a budget coming up and you don't want to miss them, okay? Take care, my besties. See you in the next video. Bye bye.